Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is for Lisa. So in this video I did some changing around of my furniture, and I moved some furniture from one room to the next in preparation for the holiday season. Back to this side. So the nesting tables are from Z Gallery. My chair is actually from Style Up Court, but you can get your hands on this chair from Wayfair. I've been stating that, and I will place the link below to both sites because I think there is a big price difference between Style Up Court and Wayfair. The pillow I purchased during the summer. Now let me tell you, this pillow here is the inspiration for my Christmas theme. So you're getting a sneak peek or a sneak tell, or a peekaboo of what I'm going to be doing for Christmas in this room. Keeping in mind, I'm going traditional, so guess what color I'm going to be throwing in with that? Comment below if you can think of what color I'm going to be throwing in with this black and silver. So the drapes are from Amazon. I'll place the link below to these drapes. They're awesome. They're velvet, very, very soft and very, very elegant drapes. My lamp is from Home Goods. I purchased it. I think I purchased this lamp either during the spring or the summer. I like it because you can either have it on just with the bottom portion. It's going to be pretty because I'm going to be putting my Christmas tree right here, and the lights on my tree is the same color as the lights in this lamp. Isn't that darling? And then you can have it just with the top part on, or you can have it with both parts. So the wall art in the middle is from Pier 1. These super beautiful, I'm not sure if you can see them. Yeah, you can see them. These came from Home Goods. These are like those foam plants. Let me move them from in front of the window here. Whew. Now you can see them just a tad bit better. Look how beautiful these are. And this pampas, this pampas grass actually came from Home Goods as well. But you can get your hands on this pampas grass from Amazon because I actually have a white set just like this that I picked up from Amazon. And when your style is glam, you can throw different flowers together and get a very nice look. And that's a nice look. I am loving this look here. So let me put this back where it belongs here. So my area rug is from Well Woven. You can also get your hands on it from Amazon. I like this area rug because it has those different looking patterns in there or whatever. I just vacuumed it so you see different patterns, but it has its own little patterns inside this rug. So moving on to the coffee table. This coffee table was in my family room. I moved it in here. Now originally I actually had a small round coffee table, silver, but I gave it to my daughter, and I was thinking about buying me a circle coffee table, but you know what? I'm going to go with this one. I was thinking it was kind of too big for this space, but for the holidays, it's going to work perfectly. I'm not going to, well, I plan on not purchasing one. Who knows? Next video, I may have another coffee table in here. I wanted a smaller round one. That's what I wanted, but I may just go with this one. So nothing on the coffee table is new. Everything I've had for a while. The candle holders are from Bath and Body Works, and guess what? I've seen these on Amazon, so I'm going to place the link to them. Now, Amazon is more expensive than Bath and Body Works, so if you have a Bath and Body Works coupon, you can go and get that candle holder for 20% off, which would be way cheaper than an Amazon price if you're able to get the Bath and Body Works candle holders. Now, they are plastic, and some people are frustrated when they get them because they're thinking they're glass, but hey, I love them. And this one, this set here has the ridges. The other set doesn't have the ridges. And this black pumpkin came from Hobby Lobby. The Mosaic Jar is from Z Gallery. My books at the bottom. A young lady on Instagram gifted me those. The tray at the bottom and those two jars over there are from CB2. My fireplace that you're looking at here is the fireplace that was in my master bedroom that I moved in here. I like this fireplace because it's narrow, and that's the main purpose I bought it, is for the width of it, and it fitted perfect. in my master bedroom. Now I'm going to move a different one in my master bedroom. Probably going to take the one out my guest bedroom and put in my master, because I definitely have to have a fireplace in my master bedroom. Then I have the Ellipse Vase here. Came from Z Gallery. Let me tell y'all, when I originally bought this vase, I paid about 70, maybe 50 bucks for this vase, because the original price for them was like 99 bucks. Now I think this vase is every bit of 200, maybe 199. So if you're interested in getting this vase, you may want to go ahead and get it now, because next year it's probably going to be 300. It's a very unique, elegant, classy piece, and it's timeless and elegant, and you can use it for so many purposes. If you want, you can even put some fish, some water with some fish, some goldfish or something in here. You can put live plants in here. For me, for the holidays, I'm going to put me some snow and sit me a reindeer right on the top, and probably going to leave it right either here or over on my entryway table. This wall art, I think it came from Burlington or Ross or Home Goods, but I've had it for a while. The lamp in the corner is from Pier 1. The pillows on my couch, the silver pillows here, are from Ideal Home Decor. A young lady gifted me those over on Instagram. They're super glam, so cute. I'll leave the link below to her website. My throw, it's a croc throw. It's actually from Z Gallery. I think you still can get your hands on that throw right now. If so, I'll leave the link below to that. These pillows here are the shimmer shimmy Cocoa Puff, you know, rolling, rolling, rolling on the river. These are those pillows with the shimmer stuff on it. Don't quit your day job, right, for Lisa? And this pillow here is from Home Goods. And my couch, I get a lot of questions about my couch and this coffee table. Now, they came from Rooms to Go. I am not affiliated with Rooms to Go at all. And what I don't like about Rooms to Go is they don't have an option for decor influencers to get any type of commission when we send out their links. And then you post stuff on Instagram, YouTube, or whatever, TikTok, and they never say thank you or anything. So I'm really not a fan of saying, you know, giving Rooms to Go credit on where I purchase things from. But this couch is from Rooms to Go. Not sure if you still can get your hands on it, but this coffee table, you still can get your hands on it from Rooms to Go. And it's like $279, which is an awesome price. However, if you don't have a Rooms to Go in your area, I think the shipping is like just as much as the coffee table. So depending on how much you want this coffee table, on if you'll pay that shipping price. My mirror is from Z Gallery. My pendant bracelet is from, I think it's from ET2 Lighting. So anyway, I have set set my look up for my Christmas decor. Basically, my next video, I'll show you where I'm going to be putting my tree. Actually, I'll go ahead and put the tree up and show you how everything look. I may do it in a little short or whatever, but I'm not going to do any filming of putting the trees together. I did that last year. I'll probably just post some videos in my description and when I put my trees up. Yes, beginning October 1st, I will be full, probably before October 1st, I will be in full Christmas prep mode. So if you want some Christmas decor inspiration, this is the channel for you. If you're not a Christmas person and you're not ready for Christmas, this is not going to be the channel for you for the next few months. Otherwise, put that notification bell on, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.